Hi, this is Luke from Toolbox Pro. Today we have a 2015 Mazda CX-5, stock number 7108. It's ran from the 2nd 2012 to the 12th 2016. Has a PE 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a PE 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Front bonnet. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand taillight. Rear tailgate. Right hand taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front kiddie slot, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,